In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook page name. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. Here, I have saved my Facebook account webpage in the bookmark bar so that I can log in easily. Let's click on it. After logging in, you need to switch to your page profile. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. Here, you will be able to see all of your profiles and pages. From the drop-down menu, click on your page. Now we have switched to our page account. Changing a Facebook page name may become necessary for several important reasons. As businesses grow or rebrand, their original page name might no longer reflect their current identity, services, or audience. A name change helps maintain consistency across marketing channels and ensures that the page is easily recognizable and searchable by users. It can also correct spelling errors, update outdated information, or better align with SEO strategies. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon again. In the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. In this menu, click on Settings. In the left side menu, click on Page Setup. In the Page Setup menu, click on Name. Here you can change and edit your page name to your liking. Beside the Name section, click on Edit. In the text box, change or edit the page name to your liking. Remember that you can only change or edit your page name once every 60 days, so choose wisely. After you are done, click on Review Changes. A pop-up will appear on display for security purposes. In the pop-up, give your Facebook account password. After you are done, click on Request Change. Now, if we go back to the page profile, you can see that my page name has changed. Following these steps, you can change your Facebook page name easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.